Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a unbagging review, and it is from the company PandaHall. And I'll leave a link to this company in my description box. But they reached out to me and wanted to know if I would show some of their products, and I said yes. So, y'all, they've got all kinds of stuff. They have got diamond painting, they have got sewing products, they have got crochet, they have got dyes, Lord, you name it, they've got it. Anything that you would need for crafting. So, what they sent to me, I picked out a few things, but I didn't know I was getting this bag, so this was a nice surprise. But this is a very thick, oh my gosh, what is this called? Burlap sack, canvas. It's a canvas tote, Lord. But this is pretty good size. It really is. But isn't that cute, that little panda bear with her little hair bow, and she's sewing something? I thought that was a cute little picture. And it's blank on the other side. And you know what? If you wanted to, and you wanted to put something on the other side of this, they have got stuff that you can do. They've got embellishments. They have got all kinds of stuff. Appliques, everything that you could put on that if you wanted to decorate the other side. So I thought this was really nice. And like I said, this is very sturdy. Very, very nice canvas tote, and you could get quite a bit of things in there. So, thank you for sending this to me. I will put that to use. Alright, so, let me set that over to the side. So, I picked out 4 items, but with this company, some stuff you get multiples, some stuff you just get one. You just have to look at the quantity. So, I ordered a notebook, but you get 2, or I got, it come in 2, a set of 2. So this is the one that I picked out. I thought it was very cute. And as you can see, you've got your drills, you've got your kit. It's all together. And I will put a link to everything in my description box if it's in stock. So it just has a regular toolkit. And then let's look at the gems real quick. Hope everybody's having a great day. I should have probably asked. It's cold here in Kentucky. We're all going to be so sick. One day it's 78 degrees, almost 80. Next day it's 50, and we even got into some 20s for our lows the other night. All within a week to 2 week span. Isn't that crazy? Alright, so here are the crystals that go to this. That's pretty. Very, very cute. Alright. Now, I'm only going to show one. There's no sense in showing both of them because they're exactly the same thing. So, this is the image. And you just pull this back. Very sticky. And it's a partial, as you can see. But yeah, it's just a notebook. Just write whatever you want in there. This is hard to where this is a softer, but this is a little bit sturdier because of, putting your drills on there. But yeah, just a notebook. But I thought that was cute, and it's neat that you get 2 of them. So there was that. Set that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here so I don't lose the drills. Or, well, you know what? I'll do that in a little bit. Alright, the next thing that I got was some keychains because I thought they were cute. And you get a set of 2. Alright, and again, I'm just going to open one because there's no point in opening 2 when they're the exact same thing. You get a regular standard toolkit again. Whoop. Okay, here's the bags that has got the little keychains in it with the, some people call these clasps, some people call them lobster claws. So, there's that. And then, here are the keychains. They're flip-flops, and they are double-sided, so you're going to do both sides. So, you got 1. They're stuck together. Hold on. Here's another one. I guess I could put y'all down a little bit. So there's that one. They're covered with a plastic, but they're not sticky. The outside of it, the plastic is not sticky. It's just where they've been in the package, the way they had them packaged so tight, they just kind of stuck together. But these are going to be really cute when they're completed. And as you can see, they've all got this little hole right here that you put the chain on. And there's quite a few in this. I started counting them and then I stopped. But these are all really cute. Just a bunch of flip-flops. But I don't use these for keychains. I use them. I put the chain on it, but I like to use them like to hang. You could hang these anywhere. See, let's see. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a 12 pack of flip-flops. And then we'll look at the crystals on here. So this is a really good company, y'all. It really is. And they have so much to choose from that you literally can get lost for a couple hours. Especially if you do multiple crafts. Because, yeah, there's tons and tons and tons of stuff. So we've got some very bright colors. There's some regular black. There's that chain of drills. And then we've got these. So, okay. I'm going to put those back in here. Has anybody else done anything from this company? Anybody else ever heard of this company? I'm not sure how old a company it is. I'm not sure how long they've been out. But it's got some really nice stuff in it. So the next thing I got was this kit, and as you can see, it comes. There's 2 of them in a kit, or in a set. There's 2 of these, and what this is a birdhouse. You see it? Very cute. I'm gonna open this box because this one is busted on the side, so I want to make sure everything's good. All right. So we've got your basic toolkit. Got a bag with something in it. Alright. We've got drills that are already bagged up, so that's pretty neat. And then you've got your pieces to put your bird house together. Pretty cool. Alright, and then there's the bottom. So this is what we're going to be doing. And as you can see, you've got 2 chickadees right there. And then you've got some flowers right here. So that's what it's going to look like. So this is the string that holds this up. And then those, I'm going to say that these are locks, like little wooden locks. Let's see. Maybe if you stick these down in there. Yeah. And then you stick those little wooden pieces in there to lock it into place so that it doesn't come out. So no gluing is what I'm trying to say. No gluing required for this. So I'm going to stick that in there, and that. And then let's look at these crystals. Okay. So we've got some purple, different shades of purple. Some clear. I think those might be, I don't know if those are hydrangea flowers or what. They're pretty. It's a lot of colors in this. 15. We have 15 colors in this, just this right here. Just 15 colors. Or we have 15 colors. Uh-oh. I hope I don't have a busted bag. Okay, let me put these back in here. Ooh, I've either got a busted bag or one was open. Because I've got drills that are coming out. Alright, hold on. Let me get these put in here before I lose them. I have to figure out, once I get done with this video, I'll just go back through and see what bag was open. Looks like it was, well, there's green and, oh wow, I don't know, I had to look. No big deal. I didn't lose hardly any at all. I'm not even picking them up. Get in there. Okay, I think I got them. But those are pretty. And like I said, you just do this one side. And then that's what you get. I've not ever done a birdhouse. I've never seen a birdhouse before. So this is going to be fun to do. When I seen it on their website, I was like, ooh, that's different. Look, there's some more. Oh well. Like I said, I'll fix it. Alright, so the last thing that I got was some coasters. And they're round. Comes with your typical toolkit. Comes with the metal holder. Comes with the back of the coasters. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 coasters. And this is what I got. And no, y'all know, I don't have any cats. I have dogs. But these were cute. Very cute. That one says cat lover. I like cats. I just don't have cats. We've had cats, but we've just always been more of a dog family. So, let's see. Now, these are just normal drills. They're not crystals or gems or anything. They're just regular drills. Bunch of pinks. Pretty colors. A lot of different colors in these. And then that's all the black you get. Huh. Well, those are nice. So, again, I'm going to leave the link to these, to everything in the description box. If it's still available, I'll leave the link to the company. Oops, then there's two more right there. Didn't see those. So that way, you know, you can go and you can check this out. Check this company out for yourself. Because, like I said, I'm going to have to do that when I get off here. They have so many things to choose from. And a lot of the things that you get, you do get multiples in it. So, that's pretty cool. So, alright. I appreciate PandaHall for sending these to me. And, I'm going to do this birdhouse. And I'm going to do a review video on the birdhouse because I'm really curious on how to do this. What it's going to look like afterwards. So, alright. If you've got any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comment section. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'd really appreciate it. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye, y'all.